Hi there, Dr. May here, and we're going to be looking at a quadratic function that is written in vertex form, and we want to write it in standard form. Now, you may have seen standard form before, but it is ax to the second plus bx plus c. You'll notice that the parenthesis is gone from the vertex form. So we're going to take our vertex form and get rid of that parentheses. Now, when we see a parentheses being to the second power, I like to go ahead and rewrite that as being multiplied by itself. That makes it a little bit easier on me just to think about that multiplication. I'm going to leave the 3 out in front and I'm going to do the distributive or the FOIL method, whichever one works for you. So I'll do x times x is x to the second. X times 2 gives me 2x. 2 times x gives me 2x. And 2 times 2 gives me 4. Now I'm closing that parentheses off and then have the plus 7 there. I'm going to go ahead and distribute my 3 to this parentheses. So that gives me 3x to the second plus 6x plus 6x plus 12. And then, of course, that plus 7. Now, we'll go ahead and combine like terms. I don't have anything to combine with the 3x to the second, but I can combine the 6x and the 6x. That gives me 12x. And, of course, I can combine the 12 and the 7. That gives me 19. So here is my standard form of this equation. Y equals 3x to the second plus 12x plus 19. I hope this helps.